Hey everyone, this is Harshada and welcome back to Hey Beautiful. Today I am recreating Rashmika Mandanna's stunning look as Maharani Yesubai from the movie Chaava. This look radiates power, grace and royalty, just like Maharani Yesubai herself. I will guide you step by step so you can achieve this effortlessly. So grab your makeup and let's get started. I already cleansed my face and now I am applying Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Emulsion by the Face Shop to keep my skin hydrated. I will gently apply it all over my face and neck and let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds. Next I am using Colorbar Flawless Finish Primer. It blurs the pores and gives you a soft canvas for your makeup. Just let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds before you start your makeup. Then I'm starting with a color corrector. I am using LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade GC990 Orange. I'm using an orange corrector to neutralize darkness around my mouth and under my eyes. Then I will blend it using the concealer brush. Just blend it gently into the skin and cover all the areas where you feel correction is needed. This step ensures my foundation and concealer blend seamlessly without looking ashy. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty FauxFilter Concealer in the shade Sugar Biscuit 3.5N. I'm applying it under my eyes, around my mouth, and on the areas where I have applied the color corrector to make my base even. And to blend it out, I'm using a concealer brush. Now you can see it's blending very smoothly and giving me a flawless base. Just blend it very slowly and cover all the pigmentation. Now my skin is looking even toned and seamless. Then I'm applying a highlighting concealer. This is K Beauty Concealer in the shade 100Y. In this tutorial, I will not use any foundation to keep everything minimal. You can see Rashmika's makeup look is also very minimal and lightweight. Now, I'm blending the concealer using another concealer brush. This concealer gives full coverage while feeling super lightweight, which is perfect for achieving that flawless yet natural finish like Rashmika's. Also, one quick tip. After applying concealer, try to wait for 15 to 20 seconds before blending it. This trick will give you more coverage and make your makeup long lasting without creasing. Then I am using a damp beauty sponge to press it into the skin for smooth and seamless finish. To set my eyebrows, I am using the Colorme palette. First, I will comb my eyebrows downward and fill in all the gaps to get that thick eyebrow look. Since my eyebrow shape is quite nice, I will only fill in the gaps and not touch the shape. Now you can see my face is looking more defined. I'll quickly finish my second eyebrow and it's done. Next I'm using the color geometry contour stick to define my cheekbones, jawline and nose. I'm blending it with the same concealer brush so that it merges into the concealer and doesn't look patchy afterward. Again I'm keeping it very minimal to get that natural finish. For eyeshadow I'm using the Inside Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. Rashmika's eye makeup is very minimal and natural, so I'm keeping it simple again. First I'm using the shade Aurora to make my eyelids as a base, applying it gently in circular motion with an eyeshadow brush. Then I took a light brown shade from the palette and applied it to my crease, blending both eyeshadows together. Next I'm taking Lakmé Kajal and apply it to my waterline. I'll make a thick line on my waterline and then use a Q-tip to smudge the kajal. Then I will apply the kajal near my upper lash line and use an angular brush to smudge it carefully. To make my eye look more defined, I am applying Maybelline eyeliner, and to finish the look, I'll go with Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Here's the complete eye look. I'll finish my other eye and come back. And it's done. To set everything in place, I'm using Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the shade Banana Bread. I'm dabbing the powder under my eyes and around my T-zone to avoid creasing. I have tagged all the products that I am using today in the description box and also added links in the comment section. Next I am using Mars Edge of Desire Lip Liner in the shade 10 Exotic Brown. To complete the lips, I'm applying the Lakmé 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade MM1. It's a beautiful natural looking shade that perfectly complements this look. And yes, our makeup is now complete. I will be back with some jewelry and sari to complete the Maharani Yesubai inspired look. Now for bindi, I am using my liquid sindoor. To make a perfect circle, I took my lipstick and used it as a guide. Then I filled it in with the same liquid sindoor. To complete this traditional Maharashtrian look, I am using my black eyeliner pencil to draw the line and dot. And here's the final look, guys. I love how soft yet glamorous this is. If you enjoyed this recreation, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more beauty content, and let me know in the comments which celebrity look I should try next. See you in the next one. Take care and stay beautiful.